Hello and good morning. This is Baroque Engineering and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss an industry and sector which has been doing very good since last 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks. The stocks in this sector has displayed momentum, displayed strength, and it looks ready to move, and it looks very much mature to post its next big move. So the sector I'm talking about is the auto ancillary sector. The auto sector as in whole is also type of, if you look at the auto sector chart, it is also type of gearing up. It looks like it has bottomed out, but we do not have any specific chart for the auto ancillary sector. So what I did, basically I created a chart wherein I have selected top 10 stocks according to the market capitalization, and I have drawn this index. This is the custom index stocks, and you can see that during the last few months, or last since Nifty has bottomed out, the sector also bottomed out, and it has been moving very strongly since it made its bottom in the December mid. Now, uh, you, it has given a pivot breakout, and given the strength in the individual stocks that we see, the individual stocks are breaking out, the individual stocks are getting ready for the move. I think that this sector is ready to make a new high, and even the stocks are ready to move. Some stocks are already given the move, and they are consolidating, ready to move again. Some stocks have bottomed out. So we'll talk about three stocks in this video update. Without wasting any time, let us move to the stocks that we were trying to discuss. The first stock is the Madan Sumi, and in this chart you can see that it has come above this slanting trend line, and it is very close to the horizontal resistance as well. So once it breaks above this horizontal resistance with good volumes, we can see that already have this volume signature that tell us that the stock is under type of accumulation. So once we get a confirmation, once we get a breakout from the stock from this horizontal line, I think that it will confirm the strength in the stock. So this is one stock that you can keep in your watch list for the coming days. uh, you can see that the moving averages, it is above the moving averages. The momentum is very well set. So I think that this is a very good stock to look forward in the coming days. Next stock that we were talking about is Autoexcel. Autoexcel is a stock that I have already discussed it on my Twitter account. I have already posted the chart on my Twitter account, and since then it has moved very well. Now again it is getting ready and all set to move again. Now you can see that it has registered a breakout, and there was a retest, there was a reaction, and again yesterday we got a very good move with good volumes. The momentum is very strong at this point, and I think that Autoexcel is again ready to move up from the current levels. So if you want the levels, if you want the charts, if you want the literature on what we have discussed right now, you will get it on our website blog section. So you can visit the blog section of the website and refer to all the levels and the charts that we have been discussing right now. So Autoexcel is another stock that you can keep it in your watch list. It's ready to move. You can see the pullback. The pullback has type of occurred on devoid of volumes, no volumes at all, no selling interest, and again we see a good pullback yesterday with huge volumes. So let me change the thing into the candlestick chart, so you will be able to comprehend it better. So I think that Autoexcel is another stock that you can keep it in your watch list. The third stock is basically um, uh, so all these stocks are already type of trying to make their new lifetime highs, or they are already close to the lifetime highs. The third stock is basically, I would say that it is not creating a lifetime high, or it is not into its lifetime highs, but again it is trying to bottom out. And I'll just take it to the weekly chart, and it is the stock of Baroque Engineering. And you can see on the weekly chart, it is forming a huge base. It is forming this huge cup and handle type of base, and you can see that this is the resistance zone. So if we talk about the short-term targets, this resistance zone will be the short-term target, since we are referring on the weekly chart. And once this weekly chart, once this resistance zone is uh, is taken out with strength, I think that this stock is ready to move up in a very very strong way, and it can again, I think, touch its previous highs. But it is too early to say that. First we require to first the price has to break this resistance point. So let us take one step at a time and wait for the price to break this resistance point. And you can see the volume signatures here, right? Somebody has been accumulating this stock at every dip, and somebody type of is with the stock. You can also see the moving averages, they are turning up. So there is type of a good sign of accumulation. So if you talk about conviction, this can be considered as a dark horse, because other two stocks that we have discussed, Madan Sumi already made a lifetime high and it has pulled back. Autoexcel is already trading into its lifetime highs, and this Baroque Engineering is just type of making a bottoming out uh, pattern. So the conviction, if we talk about conviction, of course this can be called a dark horse or an underdog. So these are the three stocks that you can keep in your watch list for the coming days. And if the auto sector pulls up, I think that these three stocks will post a very good rally and very good results. So friends, if you have liked the channel and if you have liked the content, please take some time to push the like button, comment below in the comment space how do you like the content, and do share it with your friends. Till then, keep earning, keep learning, keep sharing. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.